the magic of chemical reactions. In this topic, we would learn about various types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reaction. Chemical reactions are classified as combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement, oxidation and reduction, and redox reaction. Combination reaction. When a single product is formed by the combination of one or more substances, then that reaction is called combination reaction. During combination of two or more reactants, the reactants may require or release heat with formation of product. In the first reaction, reactants required heat, and in second reaction, heat released with formation of products. Endothermic reaction. Reactants require, absorb heat for formation of product is called endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. The reaction in which reactant release heat during formation of product is called endothermic reaction. Decomposition reaction. The reaction in which single reactant broken down to give a simple product is called decomposition reaction. Displacement reaction. When a more reactive element removes another element having less reactivity is termed as displacement reactions. In the below reaction, you can see that the element zinc, which is more reactive than copper sulfate, displaces copper from its compound. Double displacement reactions. The reaction in which precipitate is formed by exchange of ions between the reactants are called double displacement reactions. In the following reaction, precipitate of BaSO4 is formed by exchange of ions, that is Ba++ and SO4- between the reactants. Oxidation reaction. The chemical reaction in which reactants gain oxygen to form corresponding oxide is known as an oxidation reaction. Similarly, the chemical reaction in which reactants lose hydrogen to form product is also oxidation. Reduction. Chemical reaction in which reactants gain hydrogen are reduction reactions. Similarly, the reaction in which reactants lose oxygen atom to form product is also reduction. Redox reaction. When oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a given chemical reaction, it is known as redox reaction. Oxidation. Due to the effect of moisture, a layer of reddish brown color is deposited over the surface of iron called rust. Its chemical formula is Fe2O3 into H2O. The slow process of decay or destruction of metal due to the effect of air, moisture and acids on it is known as corrosion. Prevention of corrosion is always necessary. It will not only save money but also prevent accidents. Corrosion damages buildings, bridges, automobiles, ships, and other articles mainly made of iron. It can be prevented by using anti-rust solution, coating surface by paint, process like galvanizing, and electroplating with other metals. Rancidity. Visit an oil merchant. Request him to give you 100 milliliter of leftover edible oil from the tin. Heat it in a container. Now note your observations. When leftover edible oil is heated, it starts frothing up and its smell turns foul. If food is cooked in this oil, its taste changes. It is due to oxidation of oil. When oil and fats are oxidized or even allowed to stand for a long time, they become rancid. Antioxidants are used to prevent oxidation of food containing fats and oils. Storage of food in airtight containers also retard oxidation. Neutralization. The yellow oily leftover stains turn red or orange because of neutralization. Edible oils are compounds of alcohol and organic acids, that is
carboxylic acids.
the compounds formed are known as esters of
Carboxylic acids.
these compounds in edible oil are neutralized by alkaline soap or detergents. This neutralization reaction is indicated by turmeric or yellow, which turns red. Summary. When a single product is formed by combination of one or more substances, then that reaction is called combination reaction. The reaction in which single reactant broken down to give a simple product is called decomposition reaction. When a more reactive element removes another element having less reaction is termed as displacement reactions. The chemical reaction in which reactants gain oxygen to form corresponding oxide is known as an oxidation reaction. Similarly, the chemical reaction in which reactants lose hydrogen to form product is also oxidation. Chemical reactions in which reactants gain hydrogen and reduce reactants. Similarly, the reaction in which reactants lose oxygen atom to form product is also reduction. When oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in a given chemical reaction, it is known as redox reaction. So that is all in this lesson. In the next lesson, we will learn about acid-base chemistry.